Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to customize your time format that display on your iPhone easily and quick. You'll see here that my time display here is like 4 to 32, means that I use this 12 hours format. So basically on your iPhone there will be like two options to display your time, which is the 24 formats into like 12 formats. So I will like to change the 12 formats into 24. To do that, just go click settings, and right after that you just need to take a look on this part, go scrolling down and just pick the general section, and the next thing you need to do is just scrolling down again until you found the date and time. Go click it, and the top line there will be 24-hour time, so you just need to go click it to activate it. Please take a look on this side. This is for 33, and whenever I click it, it's just changed into like 16:33 because here on my locations right now is already 4 p.m. So that is the way, guys, how to change the time display or time format on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.